Okay, alright, we are back with more Factorio. Here we go, I am Pax, and we're continuing the playthrough of space exploration. And we're over here finishing up with Energy Science Level 4. And I think now we've stockpiled a bunch of science, but I think there's an issue, which is yes. So over here in Astroscience 4, we've now backed up on our asteroid belt probe, but what happens is we're supplying these astrometric data cards, and now without this probe eating all the data cards, there's actually an overproduction of the data cards. So we need to do something about that. And this is again where the train station really shines, because we can just convert it to also recycle data cards for us. So we'll just ask it to pull off data cards. And so if we make this number higher than the request number, it will start pulling them off of the bus. And since we always have this number here, we'll always still have 60 on the bus. And so this keeps the data cards recycled. And if it stockpiles up enough, the trains will come and get it and send it somewhere else, because also it has the provide priority, so that should make it request before, say, the data card production. And the same issue is here on the energy science. It hasn't happened yet because we're still building the probes, but we'll want to also pull them off over here. And I think that we're looking pretty good. We're just backed up on energy science because, yes, I think we haven't set it up. So now let's go fly over to the labs and set up the energy science. All right, here we are. Okay, we'll go just do it right here. Energy science pack 4s. Give us some inserters, please. Be the right things. And we need to do the thermofluid. Yes. So I think actually this is supposed to go here. Okay. And then it needs to go around actually as well. Okay. And then it will go eventually to here, I think. All right, then we want the catalogs, of course. So I'm going to change you to the tier 4 catalog. And we want to request the catalogs. Here we go. Tier 4 catalogs, please. Okay, and we'll just do the bio one too, since we're here. Whatever. All right, they're requested from the train network, and now also, wait, these shouldn't be there. Yeah, we can get rid of all this now, I think. Oops. Yeah. Just get rid of all this. We probably just do want to have some data cards on, it's fine. All right, tier 4 energy. Just do tier 4 bio too, thank you. Okay. Then I think an issue as well is there's just too much, there's a couple of issues. Yes, there's too much stuff on the belt. So I'm gonna lower, I think I'm gonna lower things over here. Just gotta make sure that the belt doesn't overfill. It's been causing problems by having so much stuff that a lot of things are backing up because they can't put anything onto the bus because there's just no room. And I'm just going to do the kind of just set it up as 40 and 20. I think actually this is probably just a 20. Okay, that's good. And the other issue is, yeah, I mean, the rocket probably isn't the best option for the science anymore, because what happens is we spend a lot of time doing one type of science. So like we've been doing mining productivity and we're out of only the resources for bioscience. So then it kind of backs up because the rocket doesn't get filled up. So it's asking for all these bioscience resources, but it's not filled up, and so it won't launch. And I think what we're going to do is actually retire the rocket here. So I'm going to turn off the requests. And, okay, then I'm going to just flip these backwards, turn these sideways, just so we don't build any more rockets. And I think we're just going to leave it like this. This will be the last rocket we launch. So here we go. Go ahead and launch. Just finish off the Specialist Science rocket and retire it here. And the point will be that we'll just replace it with a train soon enough. So yes, we're going to go down to the space elevator and we'll build again a little train system for another space cargo train like we've been building before. These other two we have right here. So I think it'll just go like this, yes. That's kind of strange. Yeah, but okay. Let's grab more landfill. Just kind of move it down here to here, I think will be good. Yeah, so this will be then another just exact same thing, but for the Specialist Science. So essentially we'll just replace this rocket with one more space elevator train bringing us cargo up. And since the train will come more frequently, I think we'll mitigate this problem where if we are just focused on one type of science, then we get stuck. That has been the problem. And so it looks like, are we just like too much? There's like a lot of airframe scaffolding on for some reason. Hopefully something eats that. It's only Astroscience 3 though, so let's see. I want to make sure, yeah, I think these inserters are just also way too high. So I'm going to lower these to 5. And I think over here as well, we don't need so much throughput on these inserters. So I'm going to just take these two, lower them to 5. Yeah. This just to make sure we don't really need, I don't want the bus to fill up too much, the sushi belt. So that should help. And okay, so you need quantum chips, so I think we'll just also do a little requester chest for quantum chips here. And yeah, all we need is quantum chips. Just the whole stack, sure. Okay, that should be good. And we'll have to wait a little bit for the energy science the landing pad to empty out before we can replace it. And we built our first energy science pack, 22.7. What a great number. All right, so over here, I was thinking, yeah, very similar, that this bus is also like so full, and now that we've alleviated the pressure, I think I was going to lower some of the items, like especially with the data cards. We don't need so much data cards now. Yeah, I think there shouldn't be sulfuric acid on here anymore. I'm pretty sure I didn't do that, I guess. Okay, but, well, okay, we'll leave it on there then. Okay, we'll leave that on there, but then let's lower the data card stuff. So I'm going to lower this back to 50, 60, and we can lower this, I think, quite significantly too, something like that. The glass, maybe we could lower, so maybe we'll do a little bit less glass, a little bit less steel, and I think this will help just kind of make the bus a little more robust. And we want to, of course, I think we can lower these things then, these recycling numbers. So just get these a little bit lower as well. That should be good. And anything else? Maybe we don't need so much petroleum gas. Let's do this. Okay, that should hopefully help, I think, as well. Keep the main hub bus a little freer. And yeah, we don't need to produce so many data cards in chemical gel now because we have supplemented the production, but we do want to produce solar panels for sure. Okay, nice. So then there is a couple of things we can also start preparing for. I think one of them is now we can build, just gonna build this. Oh, I guess I haven't researched it yet. Just kidding. Right, we can start researching. Oh yeah, did we get the science over here? I wanted to get the science over here. So we can just do some of this, and could even do that, I guess. Add this to the queue. Did I get, okay, so then, yes, did I get the science over here? So we have all the packs, right? Are there level 3s? Yes, there are, okay. And then are they on here? Okay, level 3s are on here. So level 3 materials, at least. So we should see this going. Yeah, there we go. I'll just add these as well. And then we have the requests for them. Yes. So we should be starting to stockpile the level 3 energy science. Yeah, it's already 120. Great. Okay, great. Cool. Okay. Then, yes, I was going to make the heavy assembly over here, but I think what we have to do is do this pipe a little bit differently. Because I still want the bearings in the network. So I'm going to do it like this. I think we don't need as many bearings. And also, I don't think we need as much as this. And surprise, surprise, the thing that's bottlenecking the base now is the Iridium and the Vitamelange. So we enhanced the other two, and you know that's finally caught up. But now the Vitamelange and the Iridium are really what's holding us back. And on Ermintrude, I did build an extra mine, and like yeah, so there is a bit of Iridium. It does look like it's backed up. I think what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to upgrade this section from here to here. Yes, turn this into blue belts just to make sure we have enough throughput. And we could try to make it more throughput, but let's just assume that we can do that much. And on Tulip, with our Vitamelange, the actual problem isn't our mine throughput, but it's the rocket throughput. And so we want to also maybe, I'm going to add a little bit more rocket fuel production over here, and also put the prod modules in. That was silly that I didn't have prod modules in here. So let's do this and do this as well. So we'll add a bit more production over here of rocket fuel, and that should actually speed up our Vitamelange. Then what we also want to do though is prepare for Bioscience 4. And for Bioscience 4, we're going to need the Vitamelange core fragment. So Bioscience 4, I think, somewhere. We need the core fragment. Oh yeah. So this is one of the ingredients. So we need to get Vitamelange core fragment, and then we need to that means we need to send some stuff to Tulip to get it, I think, over here. So yes, we want to send a core mining drill, of course. And I think we have modules, we have pulverizers, that's good, belts and stuff. Yeah, so but then we're going to send we're going to use delivery cannons to deal with the core mining. And so we need those, and we need a bunch of cannon capsules. So I'll say like 2,000, a bunch of them. Oh, right. Okay, wait. I also remember that we're missing Yes, these guys are missing refueling. That's going to be a problem. Hopefully can fix this quick enough. Okay, get these trains some fuel, please. Don't want them running out of fuel. And okay, are we good over here? It's still emptying out. That's okay. So back in Tulip though, we're going to, yes, build the core fragment, build the core mining. So it's something like this. And we'll probably just get a big old warehouse, set that up kind of. Let's see, let's go back to the Tulip cargo rocket. All right, so we added the Tulip cannon and the capsules and the core mining drill. I'm not sure that we actually build core mining drills or have them anymore. We probably still have a couple, but yeah, there's no more in the network. So let's add core mining drill production. Where would be a good spot? I guess everything in the main hub is kind of taken at this point. So then maybe we can put it, because we can just put it over here. Let's put it over here, sure. Okay, change to core mining drill. And just do like one of them, it's fine, probably. Sure, that's fine. And let's see, I was also thinking that, yeah, I really don't need so many inserters over here as well. I think this is just causing us more problems than it's helping. Uh-oh. Ferocious guard dog. So let's add a core mining drill here. Let's put it on that one. And I think I'll do the same. I'm just going to, yeah, we don't need this many inserters. Okay, let's see how that goes. This is fine, I think. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I want two of them here. Sure. Jeez. All right. Just go like this. Should be fine. Okay. Then hopefully we get a core mining drill soon. Okay, it is being produced. Great, it'll be there. It'll get there. And what we want to do as well, I think, is then start to prepare to expand Vitamelange and expand the Iridium. And we're going to do that by doing this. And we're going to build, just going to build the same builds again. Just copy them like we did for the holmium and barrel. So just build these stations. Then let's go up here and copy the iridium, the iridite. Okay, iridite. There's the material science. Let's see, so I think, yeah, we just want to get rid of this track. Press paste. Oops, not there. Paste it down. Okay, this will set up some more iridite, but I'm gonna again turn the requesters off until everything's built. And that's fine. And yeah, just turn this off too. It's fine. Okay, and then we'll do something similar for the Vitamelange. So let's go back up there. Copy and paste it. Here we go. Copy. Okay, and down here, paste. Okay. All right, and then let's do the same thing. Turn the train stations off just to make sure they get built. And yeah, I hope that this train station just doesn't overfill with junk and the ghost scanner doesn't ask for too much. Doesn't look too bad, except for 400, 350 now. Chain signals, I mean rail signals, chain signals, way too many. Probably 900 track is too many. But okay, oh well, hopefully it's not too bad. And so we'll let that get built. And I guess over here we need to add some landfill. Where are we? Landfill. So all the way out to here, I imagine. That's fine. Fill this up, please. Landfill it. Okay. All right, so we'll get more Iridium production and more Vitamelange production. But then, yes, we need, hopefully this is enough Iridium to match the demand over here. And yeah, we should see a good amount coming through. It's kind of like undoing a buffer here right now, but that should be hopefully enough. We'll see. I might have to get more, but we'll assume that that's enough. But then, yeah, we need to maybe upgrade Tulip. So this will help. This will help because we have plenty of throughput in the mine, right? So I think this is like tons, 120. We only need 40 or so for each build. But then we were bottlenecked on the rocket fuel actually. So this improved the rocket fuel. Oh, yep, right. Well, no, it didn't. Not yet. I need to, you know, actually request it. Right, yep. Do this part of it first, please. There you go. So yeah, just ask for the rocket fuel here. Okay. Same for you. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we'll be happier with hopefully more rocket fuel. And then, okay, so then, oh wow, okay, it's already here. That's good. So hopefully we got some delivery cannons as well. So what we want to do at some point, well, let's go, oh yeah, we have to fix this as well. So we need this again. Basically we want to do this. We're going to want to do this a second time just for right here. Right here maybe we could. Just continue this and the idea is, yeah, I mean, we're building another Iridium build, so we need another cannon for the enriched vulcanite to for the Iridium building. So we'll want to set this up. And yes, we want to set up one on Tulip, and I think one will be over here. I'll just have it kind of sit over here. And then we want to do some core processing. So let's do it like this. Core fragment, Vitamelange processing. Yes, go by input ingredient. Now I'm trying to figure out how much this is. So it says 11, but then it's like plus 60% productivity. So it's more like 18. Hypothetically, I don't, so let's just say it's 18. I think this is good anyway. We'll do this and we'll do, yeah, normal beacon maybe. 5, yeah, perfect. 6, we'll do it like this. And 2.4 and 19 and some stone. So a little bit over 20 coming off and 18 coming in. So we need maybe 2 lanes. So let's do that. So we'll squeeze together a build like this, I think. Here we go. It's like a little bit too asymmetrical for me. Okay, like this, yeah. We need a beacon. I think it has to go right here or here, I guess. Then do we have kind of normal stuff? Yeah, here. So let's just get this a little more useful. Okay. So then, yeah, we'll have the outputs just come out. Oops. Outputs. Yeah, we'll just do this, I guess. do this, sure. Go out, go out. Let's see, how are we gonna do the power poles? Here, 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 sure, looks okay. Oh wait, I can't do there. Do this, sure. Okay, on the other side, we need them. Okay, that looks pretty good. And yes, we can just do this then. And yeah, we'll roll the inputs over here. Okay. Something like that, sure. Yeah, it looks good, fine, great. This and this, okay. Get a report over here, maybe. Then, okay, this is sort of ready, but then you're just gonna be, you know, shoot the core fragments where we need it for the science. So we'll just have this directly get fed. And we're just gonna, take the excess and turn it into more Vitamelange. Very good, very good. That's the plan. So then what we're gonna wanna do up here is build a little split off. So I think like this works. Where we go like this, right? Bring the excess stuff to the left. Then we'll split again. And we'll say that this is the actual core fragments. Right, so this will be filter the Vitamelange to the right as well as you. So the Vitamelange will continue. And then the stone and the core fragments will go to the left. So we'll send then the stone here to the right, yes. And we'll build another delivery cannon capsule over here. So let's say it goes like this. And another RoboPort, I guess, here. Use a loader. More loaders, please. Go ahead. And except, yes, you'll be just normal core fragments. Core fragment, yeah. And yes, this, we don't need that. Okay, okay. All right, looking good. Then, yeah, let's get then, do we have one of these? Just go with, yeah, let's just do this. We'll do more loaders. Small loaders, sure. And just add one more storage chest up here. That's fine. And not like that, but like that. Bring some power. That I think will work. Well, we need it over here. Okay, okay, all right, okay, okay. So then the idea is we will turn the stone into landfill. I don't care. It'll be fine. Not going to worry about it for a while, I think. So this is going to be, we want to make sand from stone. There it is. And make landfill from sand. There it is. Okay, good. I want you to make sure you're filtered. Good. All right, looking pretty good. So, okay, well, oh yeah, we need some inserters. Let's just do this then. Should be plenty. There we go. Okay, good. And we should see some Vitamelange coming. And I think just then we're gonna make one more rocket silo. Here we are, rocket silo. So let's put it up here. We could add more if we wanted. So maybe put it like this. Yeah, that's pretty good, right? We'll just do that. That's pretty good. Okay. All right. So then go in, in. Go in more, go in more, go in more. All right, that's something. We should have more rocket silos. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh no, 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 this, just this. Okay. Again, we'll go to novice and to Vitamelange import. Launch on cargo full. Yes. This should be good. Should be good. Yep. Sure. Should be fine. All right, here we go. More Vitamelange coming from the core fragment. And then we're set up with the delivery cannon to deliver to novice or to orbit or wherever. Yeah, where we build science, I guess. And here, okay, then the idea here is we want to just shoot the excess core fragments up here and build. So we want to build the chest. So we'll just put it kind of down here, I think. Let's do it like this. Like that. Flip. Okay, so we'll just have this chest get the core fragments shot at it and add it to the production up here. And I might even just go ahead and upgrade as well. Maybe all the way to, say, here. Okay, just make those blue belts just to make sure we can deal with the throughput. And we should get some more mining productivity done pretty soon, so that'll be nice. Can maybe even see if this will finish up. Let's see, how are we looking with the... Do we have bioscience over here? We do, so it should finish, hopefully. So then, let's see. Okay, we can also very quickly now, I think yes. Rocket silo is done, so let's clear it off, and we'll just clear off the rest of this. And yes, basically we're just going to verbatim copy one of these guys. Yes. Okay, there we go. New train station. All right, like that, sure. That's fine. That's fine. Then do this. Okay. Substation in the way. Okay, fine. Okay, there we go. I don't know, it's a little bit off, isn't it? Okay, that's fine. Do this. Okay, and then we now have, let's change this to, let's see, we want to, hook all this up in the same way. Okay, go like this, like that. We'll rename this to, what are the other ones called? I can't remember. Let's look at the, right, yes. Go back to here. Okay, we did build this. So we space elevator up. Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically, let's just copy this then. Okay, yeah, we want essentially the same thing. Can't build on deep water. Why not? What's on deep? Okay, yeah. It's just there was stuff out there I didn't want anyway, so it's fine. All right, but then, okay, we're gonna basically just change this. Just change this, yes. Okay, let's go back to the cargo rocket over here. Specialist science rocket, we're gonna basically copy this. These requests over. Okay, it looks good, nothing else came, and I think all the, everything stagnated the way we want it to. All right, okay, this is back. Okay, so now we can put these down. This is almost done building already. That's great to see. How is then the... Okay, these are, getting built. They're getting built still. The trains at least are here. Train tracks, I mean. So that's something. So hopefully this isn't getting backlogged. This looks okay still. Okay, good. All right, then let's go back to the rocket, or to the train station, right? Yes, go back to the train station. I think this is all the same. Iron, why is this here? Barrel maybe? Okay. really just care about the S. I think that's all the same. This is all the same. Let's copy the instructions. Oh wait, I need to go back actually. Okay, this is just called request, but this wants to be called, I'll call this provide SS, yes, for specialty science, and you should be on channel space, yeah, so you'll be space elevator up SS, specialty science, specialist. Okay, these are here. So I'm gonna just maybe, yeah, reduce these by a factor of 2. I think that'll be fine. So let's reduce these. Keep them as negative numbers though. All right, yep. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go even lower. Yep, this is all good. Okay, yeah, sure, 1000, all that's fine. And yeah, here, factor of 2 lower just to, yeah, I mean, we don't need that much. All right, I think that'll be good. All right, so now let's see. We need to hook it up. So then I think we just plug, yeah, we plug the red wires into here. Oh good, we got the mining productivity 7, nice. And what we were doing the naquium, let's do that, and then we can start working on maybe this, and maybe then more structural integrity. We're gonna want more of that. Okay, the fuel station looks okay. I don't know why this isn't here. Actually, this is a space elevator train, so that's why. Right. I want to copy that. I copied the space elevator train instructions, hopefully. So we're over here and we want to plop one down, plop a new one down. Okay, this looks all set up as well. Okay, put you on the space elevator up to SS channel. Have the science signal going through, that's good. Sending the contents down. All right, so I'm pasting. Yeah. Nope, no I'm not, didn't work. Copy. Not working. Okay, that's okay. Up, down, and yes, I need to rename this one. We'll call this SS. Hopefully the other one doesn't come here. So then you're gonna be request SS, provide SS, yes. Down to provide, up to request, and then it's full cargo, and time passed, inactivity, and it's circuit condition. These are all ANDed. So if this gets full cargo, it goes. Then as long as 30 seconds have passed, there's nothing happening, and we have the spaceship launch signal, we will go. We will leave the provider. Yes. Go up. This will just be till empty. Cool. All right. Go. Do your thing. Then we should then see now. We could go back. Okay. We can turn these on. One. Okay, and then let's see, there are some negative numbers. That's good. That's good to see. Negative numbers. That'll be the request, but they're not going through, right? Yes, because we were waiting on the train to get here. It should be here. It is here now. We should see, yes, the numbers coming through. And hopefully we then request some barrel, I guess, and some heavy bearings. We don't have any heavy bearings. But I think, yeah, we were just running low on iridite. So we're making some, oh yeah, this was supposed to be the now heavy assemblies. Start building that, which will further eat our heavy bearings, but oh well. Some iridite is here, that's good to see. I guess then let's just go ahead and try to get this up and running. So Let's see, is it still in my copy paste memory? Yes. I think then should be okay to do that. That should put the requesters back, and we still won't do the Go Scanner though. And then up here, I think it looks okay. Looks like it's done. Looks like it will finish at least. And then same for you. There we go. Paste. Okay. All right, all the requesters are back and should be then up and running before we realize. Now let's just go check on Tulip real quick. So we have our rockets sped up. That's good. They're actually working. Okay, that's good. Now, are we getting Vitamelange? No, because, right, yes, this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so then I should probably put some amount of buffer here. That would probably be better. So let's get a steel chest, I guess. Yeah, just do one steel chest worth of buffer. It's fine. Steel chest, do this, do that. Okay, and then now let's look at yes, this is ready. So we could do a communication satellite, but since it should hypothetically never back up, since it's a core fragment processing, I'm gonna risk it and not do that. I'm just going to then shoot it off haphazardly, and hopefully hopefully it, you know, works. So yes, we'll shoot off the core fragments back to here and just add them to the core fragment processing. So this will just, you know, add a couple. Hopefully, I think it's enough. So like hypothetically, it's 20 every 5 seconds, so that goes 4. But it tends to take longer than 5 seconds to charge. So it's a slightly less than that, but hopefully I think we're getting 2.5 off, so hopefully it's enough though. Yeah, we'll see. Then we'll set this up when the time comes. It should be fine if it backlogs, no worries. And then, yes, you're actually already set up, just waiting on you to fill up. Great, okay, there's some more Vitamelange. Should be more production, so hopefully the rocket can handle it. It's one of the smaller stack sizes, so it's kind of risky to even just have the trains deal with that much. But I think it'll work out. So hopefully we'll see some action from this stuff coming soon. It looks like the Iridite is ready and lots of things are being requested, so that's good to see. And the Vitamelange looks also done. Great, and things are coming as well, so cool. Okay. Are we getting any action from the space train? Let's go see if the space train is running at all. Okay, down here. Looks like it must have left, so are you coming? Space train? It's not up here. Did I miss it? Where are you? Okay, it's back, it's back. So it must have gone already. Because, yes. Well. Alright, well, it came, I think it came. Okay, missing quantum chips, but that's not too surprising, I think. Good, we got the biology science going. Nice, okay, nice, looking nice. I think the bus is looking pretty healthy. Yeah, things that are running correctly. All right, yeah, I think the space train will also just make it a lot more robust in terms of delivering the right things, or delivering more regularly, really, so that we don't oversaturate. Let's see, let's yeah, let's up this as well. I'm going to say keep at least 50 data cards on the bus. So it looks like we're just not needing, don't have enough data cards for this, so that's not good. Nice, but that looks pretty good. Yeah, science is almost completely finished here. Or, I mean, at least for this part of it. We still have all of the deep space science to do, but I think we'll have to figure out another way of doing it, I guess. Can't really add much more to this section. Cool, okay, but our space train is hopefully working. And then I think then we're ready, pretty much ready. Got our Vitamelange up and running, and shooting off delivery cannons, core fragments back to novice, get more free stuff. And then finally, what's wrong with you? Why is that even there? Okay. All right, good stuff is coming. What are you asking for? Beryllium, more bearings, and more solenoids. Okay, well, yeah, okay, that's fine. Do we see any life here? Ah, the ore is just getting here. That's good. What about you guys? Ore is also just getting here. Or no, it's been here. All right, you're coming to life. Vitamelange number 2 coming to life. Looking pretty healthy here. Iridite almost made it here now. There we go. Getting some powders going. Waiting on some beads. There it is. Iridium powder, coming. Here we go. Awesome. And train. How are you looking? You don't quite have enough stuff. Oh, you don't have any stuff. Okay, it's okay. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with the train network. Yeah, it looks okay. Orbital hub. Cranking it out. Indeed. Okay, got some life over here. All right, Vitamelange processing. I think we might need to, let's up this. There's so little on a train and it stacks so low. I don't know, maybe that'll help. Let's get a bit more. Here comes some more. Okay, great. And oh yeah, we didn't set this up. We need to set this up. Okay, this is going to be enriched vulcanite 2. Okay, and let's go to Granus. So yes, good. We have this ready. We'll just change it like this. Go like that. Go like that. Sure. There we go. Then you're going to be on the enriched vulcanite 2 channel. Yes. And yes. Same thing. Should be the same. Yes, that's fine. So target novice, go to, yeah, this one. Kapow, right there. Yes, okay, gotta go back. Right, yeah, oh, it's on, good. And on. Okay, and cool, okay, good, there we go. Okay, the train. Did it come? Is it here? Did it come already? Oh, alright, we missed it. Oh well. We just missed it. That's it. It came and went. Space elevator train. The space elevator is just too OP. There we go. Got some blast cake. Iridium blast cake up and running now. Vitamelange still building up. Getting to this final stage though, it looks like. There we go. Now the extract over here at least is running, but not over here somehow. Not sure how that's possible, but okay. Oh well. There we go. There's some. Starting up the Vitamelange. And yes, we're getting some Iridium ingots being built again. Awesome. Okay, great. Great. Phew. Iridium. And Vitamelange. Cool. So yeah, this will get up and running and we'll have more. That's good. We needed some more. The base was a bit bottlenecked. So easy to just copy and paste these train builds. Very good. Now we have another little section for all the ores and stuff. I kind of like how it's set up like this. It's pretty neat. All the off-world resources are really meant. Okay. Yep. More Vitamelange. And hopefully we have enough mining for it to keep up. Hopefully the trains can keep up. How's it looking? Are we going to launch a rocket soon? You're ready to launch. That's good. Okay. You're launching. That's what's happening. So you're setting it up and you're ready to launch too. So plenty of Vitamelange ready for this system. It might be good to somehow prioritize this, but yeah, you know. We would have to like probably just dedicate it a different silo for that then. How are we looking? Still needing beryllium and the bearings. Need lots of bearings. I think we've just been falling behind on the bearings. Because I think this thing was eating all of the iridium. So I just deleted some of the production of this just to allow some more focus on getting some bearings out. So that's fine though. And now that we have more iridium, we should be feeling good about the production. Where did 2 stone come from? Come on. Okay, whatever. We'll get rid of it. It's fine. All right. So, but then I think, yes. Are we looking good over here? What's taking you so long? There's no beads. No sulfuric acid. Okay. There's one pipe missing. Yes. And okay, this is looking good too now. Got the loop finally looking more full. So should see this ramping up. Still kind of ramping up though, but yeah, just the ore is a little bit too intermittent. So hopefully we still have enough. Maybe we just need more trains. We should have plenty of ore. Yeah. I'm going to up you to also, let's see, let's do a bit more. I think there's not even 2,000 on the train, so that should hopefully just be like, bring more trains, please. And yes, good. Okay, good. Right, all right, nice. There we go. Now we're going. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Okay, almost ramped up. Almost ramped up. Just not enough of the ores, but hopefully we'll get some more coming. Yeah, it's just a little bit hard to keep up with this much ore demand, but I think it will. And the iridium's looking solid. Cool. All right, nice. Yes, then I think then this will be where we call the session. We've now almost finished off the science labs. We've got all the specialist science, but the last tier biology science. And yes, we've upgraded this landing pad to be a space elevator train. I think it's going to be much more robust just because the space elevator train comes a lot more frequently. And the problem was often we're doing like a big research like mining productivity for a long time and it's only eating biology science, and so everything else gets backed up from being overproduced. But then the biology science resources weren't enough to fill up the rocket, so the rocket wouldn't launch and the whole system would stall out. But with the space elevator train, that just probably won't happen because, yeah, it comes much more regularly. And then, yes, we're setting up, and then we also set up to get more Vitamelange and get the core mining going on Tulip, our moon Tulip over here. Then, yes, it's a little bit stalled out, but now we have direct access to the core fragments, which we'll need for the bioscience. And hopefully, yeah, hopefully then our extra also production of Iridite and Vitamelange starts to feed the base, because yes, we're still very, very hungry for these resources. And yes, in fact, the science was getting stalled by lack of Vitamelange. Vitamelange. Cool, but then yeah, now we have more of that, and we should be feeling pretty good. Ready to finalize the last bit of the specialist science and move towards the deep space science. So heading to the final stage of the game. There we go. Cool, and we got more space trains. There it is. Caught it just in time. Unloading some beryllium and some bio scrubbers. There we go. See ya. Cool. Yes. This space station is looking really thick. Oh my gosh. It's getting crazy, but nice. We're almost done with specialist science. Huzzah. Yeah, so, but then yeah, I think we'll call the session here. There you go, Factorio. I am Pax. I will see you in the next video.